Mentangan pensaya pi ya kitu kipos pa lai hani krema. Kipos baro kandai chispa lai pro teli. Haka group B and C. Ya kani advertisement la pemi haka atro tarik January ada jar atro sang. Kat kalas di kan kut haka atro tarik April ada jar atro sang. Ya kini kipos lapot online application haka group B and C on direct recruitment no. Itu ki candidate ki bakwa applyan pila ban apply tang lingba ka online. Ban apply online pila ban visit hagani ka website www.negrum.gov.in. Ban ya ka application pa PCU ya kini ki post pa pi applyan kinam pen phasu. Kitma ki bala 3 Firu fila ban apply ya kani ke kam tangba pidon kam ban yo ya ketuka no object certificate mut kadon kam hama ban submit egani ga no objection certificate ya kani ka no objection certificate fila ban yo naki employer jongki ani ki institute ani ka organization tementa ngan pencaya pi ya ki post tang na benta jongki SD nada tu ki pos omdon yaki SD ngamnen pen shal ya kene ke pos nursing officer kadon tang arteli yaki SD kajing siupan kaya hab haka level 7 qualification don kam ya kani ke nursing officer kade BSc honors nursing BSc nursing hakitu ki Indian Nursing Council lani state nursing council bala itu daga institute ini university lani BSc post certificate or equivalent such as BSc nursing post basic from an Indian Nursing Council stroke state nursing council begitu university bala itu or diploma in nursing midwifery from an Indian Nursing Council or state nursing council bala itu daki institute board of or council hangni don kam experience as nama hakitu ki hospital ki badon sanpho teli ki betno don kam ruban register haka nurse and midwife with the Indian Nursing Council or state nursing council hakitu ki candidate ki ba apply ya kani ko nursing officer ka age limit kadai life host name ban ya kani ke store keeper amdon ST radiographer amdon ST medical social worker amdon ST technician amdon ST technician nuclear medicine amdon ST health inspector amdon ST junior account officer amdon ST junior engineer electrical amdon ST but ya kani ke pharmacist dan tanggo ke seat dan tanggo ke post na benta jongki SD kajing siupat ka hab haka level 5 qualification kade diploma in pharmacy or bachelor of pharmacy or doctor of pharmacy hakitu ki university ane institution bali itu ma pidon kam rupan register haka pharmacy a khat khandai spa sopukra but yaka estimate hangnean athu new snam but yaka nika technical assistant ru don tang gobega sit but kajing supan kade haka level 5 yaka nika post kahap haka department of urology the essential qualification and pidon kam haka BSc in radiology technique from a recognized university but 2 years working experience haka radiology technique from a reputed institution or organization. Lani itu bapas 12 ruem haka science pila ru ban apply ya kani kam ban don kam as name diploma in radiology technique from a recognized institute or organization, and don't come ru as name working experience haka urology techniques from a reputed institute organization. But yaka estimate hang nayan kadai live post na ke post ECG technician kadon tang ko ke post kajing siupat ka hap haka level 5. The essential qualification we don't come kadai BSc with physics as one of the subject ma hakito ki university bala itu ban 1 year experience haka cardiology equipment lane itu ki candidate ki bala pendam ya kata diploma license haka electrical communication engineering from a recognized institute with 1 year experience ma don't come experience ru hangni haka cardiology equipment but yaka age limit pan hangni don live post na but yaka ni post sanitary inspector don artli ki post kabai ka post na benta ki UR kabai ka post na benta ki ST kajing siupan hangni kahap haka level 5 itu ki pas yaka class 10 ru kilaban apply hang nema but don't come yaka certificate of sanitary inspector training hakito ki university any institute bala itu but don't come ru yaka iki candidate but don't come lies name experience hakiniki relevant fields na but ka estimate live hopes no but kani ke security guard ru kadai tang na benta UR record clerk also nang ta ka post driver ru tang ki ESW kada room assistant ru tang ki ESW tang itu ki post bab sila aban apply kenmau nalor gitu ki age limit ru am yang ST kadon ka is relaxation sesams na ya gitu ki post bab hi apply am kabay application fees na benta ki ST ki hapsiu aspa sanpo tingka kabay ka post but ya gitu ki bro ki ba duna haka department na don kam ban siu but ya kan ni application fees bab hi siu am kimnem pa siu